Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. Well, today we ain't cooking, but I'm gonna become a mixologist, all right? Today we're doing mojitos, all right? And basically, simple ingredients is simple syrup. Basically, all this is water and sugar. It's at a slow simmer to the sugar all dissolves, cool down, simple syrup. And we also have plenty of mint leaves, okay? And my wife also wanted raspberry mojito. And we also probably gonna try to drink a pineapple mojito, okay? And we have our fresh limes, okay? And my wife is actually gonna make these drinks. So without further ado, let me get her over here and she'll start making these cocktails for you. Be right back. All right, everybody, I got Mrs. Chef Puff here, where she is going to make me a mojito, a regular mojito, okay? Now, the first thing what she's gonna do, she's gonna take about 10 of the mint leaves, put them in her hand, and she's gonna smack them to release the oil. There you go. You're gonna put that in, she's gonna put that into the glass, then she's gonna add the lemon juice, which is, what is that? One ounce of lemon juice. Now we're gonna add a half an ounce of simple syrup. All right, like I said, simple syrup is just basically sugar water. That's all it is. Okay, now she is going to muddle. She's gonna muddle that. Get a nice good muddle. Get your twist. There you go. Use two hands. Get everything in there. Yep. Get it all the oils released. Get it nice and muddled. Looking good, looking good. Yes, this is not cooking today. This is mixologist. Mrs. Chef Puff, mixologist. All right, so the next step, let's get everything else situated here and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, now we're gonna add the 2 ounces of Don Q rum. Okay. We're gonna add some ice to it. Okay, now we're gonna add the carbonated water, which we have a soda machine through Ninja that makes us carbonated water. You can use club soda, either or. All right, fill it up till it gets near the top. All right, now you're gonna start to give it a nice good mix. Now at this point, you can also, when you mix it, you can add some more additional mint leaves to your drink, which I do not want. All right, because it's very hard for us to get mint leaves here. My wife did buy a damn near whole box, and you top it off with soda water. And now I am going to give it a try. So if you can see me, smells good. Tastes like a regular mojito. Got that nice minty taste. But remember, when you making these, that tastes good. When you making these, when I was on that ship on the getaway, and we was drinking mojitos, they taste so good. But you can just keep drinking them. But once you get to that certain point, you're like, woo! You're like in La La Land. All right. So, if you like this video, give my wife a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Ring the bell. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one.